My name is Jeff Barschaw. I'm a director of Agile Practices. What I do at Rego is I lead all the ATP implementations and support, as well as the chief architect for the ATP product itself. The session this year is a new one that I'm looking forward to, is presenting strategic portfolio management and how Target Process solves this strategic portfolio management. It's interesting, Gartner put this together a couple of years ago, and when you look at Target Process, the majority of the capabilities were already there. They just needed to be packaged a little differently. So I look forward to demonstrating how Target Process supports organizations moving in that direction. My favorite thing is twofold. One is meeting and talking with our customers face-to-face, with travel expenditures reduced across the board. It's hard to get face-to-face meetings in person, so I enjoy meeting them. And I think secondarily, I really enjoy kind of stepping back and watching our clients and customers meet each other and realize that they have the same challenges across their different organizations and domains, and that we're not really solving new problems. All these organizations have similar problems, but they at Rego they realize that, hey, I'm not alone.